We've talked about the importance of a handling class, and the handling class could look like this. I'm Sandy Weaver, and I bring out the inner winner in owner handlers. Or your training class might be someplace more like this. I can guarantee you two things. Thing number one, when you go to a dog show, it is not going to be in your house or in your yard. It's going to be somewhere where your dog has probably never trained before. And thing number two, there will be dogs there that your dog does not know. If you don't train outside your yard, outside your house, and where other dogs are, you're doing your dog a big disservice. Take your training on the road. That way, when you go to a show with your dog will already know there are other dogs in the world and they can work in some place besides their yard or their house.